It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, batch cooking. Keto diet is a really exciting discovery. It's weight loss that really works. The best part of keto is it's sustainable. How many diets have you been on that were not only hard to do, but the minute you stop, the weight starts coming back? Sometimes the weight will come back even more than what you lost. Anyway, keto works like magic when it's done properly. The weight just seems to melt away. But the body needs certain nutrients in certain balance to stay in ketosis. If you don't have the right food handy when you need it, you're a lot more likely to grab something. That something may not and probably won't be keto. So we recommend what's called batch cooking. This is where you cook or prep for several days or even a week in advance. Plan your meals out so that they can be frozen or otherwise kept ready for when you need them. Seems kind of self-explanatory, but a lot of people get caught at this point and fail because they didn't plan ahead. You'll be amazed how much less you have to depend on willpower when what you need is just sitting there right in front of you. We don't want to wear your willpower out on dumb things. If you have to look in your fridge for every meal, the little devil on your shoulder has a lot more chance to whisper in your ear. But if all the meals are done and ready to go, all you have to do is grab and eat. No willpower required. It actually takes less time overall. When you gather all your ingredients together and get a week's worth done at once, you probably save several hours over the week. This is called creating a supportive environment. I call it creating keto paradise. It's smart and simplifies your life in ways that you will love. Lucky for you, we have tons of recipes at our website. So from now on, try to plan your week a week in advance and see how much nicer and smoother it makes your life. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.